You ever look at your photos and think, why does it look so cheap? I mean, you spend good money on your camera, maybe a nice lens too, and yet your photos just don't have that professional feel. Well, here's the truth. It's not your camera. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what is causing that. Now, if you're new here, well, this is part of my Shoot Happens series where I break down photography topics in plain English so you can start taking better photos today. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just real world advice that actually really works. All right, let's talk about why your photos might look cheap. Point number one, bad lighting. I mean, this is a big one. Lighting, you can have a $5,000 camera, but if your light is bad, your photos will still look bad. And here's what beginners often do. They shoot in harsh direct light, midday sun, overhead lighting, hard shadows, blown highlights. It creates that flat, harsh, almost phone snapshot look. Now compare that to soft light, golden hour, window light, open shade, and suddenly, well, everything looks more natural, more dimensional, more expensive. So if your photos feel cheap, don't upgrade your camera, fix your light. Point number two, no subject separation. And here's another big one. Your subject blends into the background. There's no separation. Everything kind of like melts together. And when this happens, your photos look cluttered. It looks confusing, amateur. And here's the fix. Create depth. You can do that by stepping back or zooming in, using a wide aperture, or simply moving your subject away from the background. That one change alone can instantly change or make your photos look much more professional. Point number three, cluttered composition. And this one frankly gets a lot of people. You see something really cool, you take the photo, but there's just so much going on. Distracting elements, bright objects pulling your eye away, random stuff in the frame. And now, instead of strong image, you've got visual chaos. And here's the simple rule. If it doesn't add to the photo, it's hurting the photo. So simplify. Move your feet, change your angle, zoom in tighter, or wait a few seconds for the distraction to leave the frame. Cleaner photos almost always look much more professional. Point number four, bad timing. And this matters more than people think. You can have perfect composition, you can have great light, but if you hit the shutter at the wrong moment, the shot, well, it falls flat. Think about it. Expressions, movements, waves, people walking through your frame. Pros don't take photos, they wait for the right moment. That patience is often the difference between a decent photo and a great one. Point number five, over-editing, and finally editing. Yes, this one is going to strike a nerve with some because this is where a lot of photos go really off the rails. Too much saturation, too much contrast, over sharpening, or these weird colors. It starts to look unnatural, and that's when your photos start to feel, well, cheap again. Editing should enhance the photos, not scream at people. If somebody can instantly tell that the photo was heavily edited, well, you probably went too far. So if your photos look cheap, it's not your gear. It's your light, your composition, your subject separation, your timing, and your editing. Fix those and your photos will instantly start to look better. And here's the good news. Every single one of these is something that you can improve starting today. No new gear required, just better decisions behind your camera. All right, friends. That's all I got here for you today. If this helped you out, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we've got a lot more Shoot Happens videos coming your way. And as always, you get out there and take your best shot.